So as I'm turning this, I'm also feeling it becoming tighter, and it's going deeper in, and I think I've reached the end of the threads. So probably I've tapped it enough, the hole, and then I can just start to release it. You can see it's releasing. There I think I can see the threading inside. So probably it's ready for the M6, and I think what I should do is maybe just clean it off a little bit of this lubricant cutting, and then also there'll be these metal shavings which I should clean off. And make sure it's nice and clean. And then I can try to attach the M6.